Morning dudes. Today it's my vlog from my house to city center, and after city center to go Mary Hill, take bus 60 or 61 to Mary Hill, and after we arrived and the weather it's so horrible and raining weather, but it's amazing weather. Actually, I love the weather, and the weather is look nice from the window from the bus, but I don't know how it's come on the ride. I hope it's be fine on the bike and it's be safe. Now I'm start walking because I'm stopped in this bus stop to go the building to meet in with the people we going to Mary Hill. This is a town.
She moves like a map with
There is a
no
town
border.
and you can see the
A
weather
whisper caught in the
so
wind.
raining.
I
I
see
wish
her
it's be
boots
fun.
at the corner
And this way
cafe
for the building,
with
and
a
this
notebook
building
can
this is building we
She's chasing
arrived.
skies I've never
Now
named,
I'm with the
while
people,
I stay in my
and now
lane.
we are ready to go in the other
There's
bus,
something
60 or
in the
61.
way she moves, keeps pulling at
Peace.
my chain.
Now we are in the bus 61 to go Mary Hill, and the bus in the traffic. This is, you see the weather from the windows, you can see well, God is so raining. Now we arrived, it's nearby. Now just tidy up because the weather is so raining. Just ready to go. I'm just walking now and follow these two people, my friends, and yeah, just follow them, and I just said wait in me. This is a weather like autumn, but it's a lot raining, but I love it. I love it.
I can't speak.
Soon we arrive. This is a place we're going. This is a place we're going to, from this place to ride. Yeah, look the weather, look from the window in the place.
But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun.
I'm just going outside a little bit to look in the weather and just taking some selfies, near the buildings, near the bikes. There is a bikes for the people. One of them is mine. This place, if you like to enjoy. This is me. Everything sorted. Now we are ready to start it. I'm just ready right now. I'm on my bike. Yeah. And the leader asked if anyone ready. I just of course I'm ready. This is a jingle bell. Yeah, that jingle. And I'm stopped because hell. I don't like to cycling on the hill. Just take off. This is the place we arrived, and we take some rest. Come with me and I show you some waterfall. It's amazing time. Yeah, you look down. Look. How amazing. How amazing. Just say, yeah. How amazing. I love it. Now, behind the trees, this is people behind me. This is with maybe 10 or 9 people. And they're raining weather, and we're amazing times. Yeah, it's good time. And yeah, look the next. This is the next part. This is the next third part. Yeah, look how is it. Look over there. It's so amazing. You see how amazing it is? There we are rest here and we breathe. Now we're ready to go back Mary Hill from this location. Now we're ready to go back. That is me to follow them, and them is very fast. I'm very slow because I'm taking some filming and stuff, for vlog. I'm just stopped a little bit to see the swans. You see how amazing swans there. The bridge, amazing. You can see a view, gorgeous. What's raining time? Yeah. I'm just walking because I don't like cycling on the bridge. Actually, this is not my favorite. This is bus stop to go back to where you come from, like city center. This is a city center. Now time for coffee. Yeah, that is my coffee, a vanilla ice. Yeah, it was amazing time with someone I meet. This is now time for home. Thank you for watching.